Dear students, welcome to your physics class. Last class we discussed universal law of gravitation and we derived expression as F equal to gmm by r square. Based on that equation, now we are doing a problem. I will explain question. The mass of the earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg and that of the moon is 7.4 into 10 raised to 22 kg. If the distance between earth and the moon is 3.84 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer, calculate force exerted by the earth on the moon. In this question, given G equal to universal gravitational constant G equal to 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram raised to minus 2. Here for approximately it is given for doing for simplification of problem we will do like that. Instead of 6.673 we round as 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram raised to minus 2. Here in this problem mainly note down mass of the earth. This is mass of the earth only. Then mass of the moon, this value 7.4 into 10 raised to 22 kg and distance between earth and moon. That is we have D. According to equation we have D is 3.84 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer. Calculate the force exerted by the earth on the moon. We studied according to universal law of gravitation. Every object attracts every other object with a force. Here there is a force exerted between earth and moon. That force only we are going to calculate using that equation. Now we go for the steps of problem. Given mass of earth. So since you know mass of earth is larger in size, so we take capital M. Capital M earth equal to this value given the question 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Then mass of moon small m equal to 7.4 into 10 raised to 22 kg mass of moon. We have distance between moon and earth. D equal to 3.84 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer. 10 raised to 5 kilometer. I will explain. Mass of earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Mass of moon is 7.4 into 10 raised to 22 kg. Distance between earth and moon 3.84 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer. This kilometer you have to convert into meter. For that 3.84 into 10 raised to 5 into 1000 only. 1000 means in exponential we get 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3 means 1000 only. So 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. That's why we have written 10 raised to 3. We get 3.84 into 10 raised to 5 plus 3 8 meter. Then G value in the question given 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram raised to minus 2. F question mark. We have asked to find the force question mark. We have I repeat M 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Then we have M smaller. First capital M about earth only, small M about the moon. 7.4 into 10 raised to 22 kg. Distance between earth and the moon, we get finally we get 3.84 into 10 raised to 8 meter. G. It is given the question 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram raised to minus 2. F question mark. We use which equation? F equal to G mm by m into m by d square. F equal to G value what will be G 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 into capital M what will be 6 into 10 raised to 24. What is small letter M? That is mass of moon 7.4 into 10 raised to 22 divided by d square. D what will be 3.84 into 10 raised to 8. 3.84 into 10 raised to 8 into 3.84 into 10 raised to 8. D square only. So we have to write it 2 times. D square only. So D into D. 3.84 into 10 raised to 8 into 3.84 into 10 raised to 8. When we simplify, F equal to G 6.7 into 6 into 7.4 divided by 3.84 into 3.84 14.7456 7456. When we multiply we will get here we will get when we simplify we get 10 raised to 35. 24 plus 22. 24 plus 22. It is 46. You have to subtract 11. Then we will get 35. That is a way we know. A raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n. So when we add this powers, we get 10 raised to 35 numerator. Denominator it will be 10 raised to 16. 10 raised to 16 denominator. Exponentials when we add. Then this 16 when we take to numerator, we will get F equal to 6.7 into 6 into 7.4. We will get 297.48 divided by 14.7456 into this a raised to m divided by a raised to n only fixed. A raised to m divided by a raised to n means a raised to m minus n. So we get 10 raised to 35 minus 16. 10 raised to 35 minus 16. Then it's 10 raised to 19. 10 raised to 19. 10 raised to 19 it will be. So we will get 10 raised to 19. When we this simplify, we get 20. We get 20.14. 20.174 into 10 raised to 19. Then we can multiply and divide with 10. No change in value. We can multiply and divide with 10. When we divide, we will get 2.017. Then power when we add it, we will get 10 raised to 20. That is the answer. According to textbook, we will get the answer. That much Newton. We have Newton is the unit of force. So here we have a F equal to G mm by d square. 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 6 into 10 raised to 24 into 7.4 into 10 raised to 22 divided by d into d. This value we have to multiply twice. So when numerator multiply we get 297.48 into exponential when we add we get 10 raised to 19. Exponential we add 10 raised to 35 we will get. Then denominator 10 raised to 16 it will be. Then multiply this 3.84 into 3.84 we will get 14.7456. When we simplify this we will get 20 point multiply and simplify we will get 20.174 into this exponential when we raise to up we will get 10 raised to 19. Then numerator and denominator we can multiply and divide with 10 and no change in value. To get the exponential 20 only we done this process. We can do like that no problem. But according to textbook answer to get we multiply and divide with 10. You can do still here no problem. 20.174 into 10 raised to 19 Newton we can write. But to get 20 we can do like that. Numerator and denominator we can multiply and divide with it by 10. When divide we get 2.01 into when multiply we will get exponential as 20. So this is the way we can simplify this problem. One more question similar you can see in textbook that I will send through notes. So only one problem I explained. One additional as a homework you can do. Also, I will send notes through WhatsApp. So, dear children, two problems in your textbook mentioned is similar equation you have to learn. F equal to G mm by d square. This is about the earth. This is about the moon. Then distance between earth and the moon. So, this is the way we can simplify. These problems you have to write and study. Exponential mathematical equation we have we studied a raised to m into a raised to n means a raised to m plus n. A raised to m into a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n. Then a raised to m divided by a raised to n means a raised to m minus n. These two equations you have to learn. A raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n, then a raised to m divided by a raised to n, a raised to m minus 1, m minus n. I repeat, a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n, a raised to m divided by a raised to n, a raised to m minus n. So these equations here we use it to simplify exponentials. So we will get the final answer as 2.017 into 10 raised to 20 Newton. So I hope everybody will do 3 or 4 until you learn, write and study. Thank you children.